Hello student, today we are going to discuss transformation of a basic blocks and representation of a basic blocks. Okay, so what is basic block? The set of instruction which are available, the set of statement which are available, and what we are going to do? We are going to convert this set of statement into the block. Okay, so what is block? Block is nothing but the set of instructions or set of code. Now, whenever we are going to create this basic block, then we have to follow the some rules. So, what we are going to do? We are going to first of all find out the leader for the given block. So, whenever whenever in the given statement, first if the first statement is three address statement, then this is the leader. Second, if the conditional or unconditional jump is there, then that statement it is a leader. Now last one is, if the set of instruction or statement which is to be exactly follow the conditional and unconditional jump, then it is called as a leader. A number of, now here we are going to discuss transformation of basic block. How we are going to how we are going to do or perform transformation on the basic block. A number of transformation which can be applied on basic block without changing the set of expression. These transformation which are very useful for improving the quality of code which is generated by the basic block. Now there are two method which is to be useful by transformation of the basic block, that is structure preserving information and algebraic transformation. Okay, so structure preserving information means what? If we are going to optimize the code, then here what we are going to do, we will use the dead code elimination, then different optimizing technique to reduce the size of a code. And algebraic transformation means what? Here what we are going to do, we are, if this operator, the same operator which are available, and the if we doesn't use that operator, and then we will still we are going to get the exact output, then what we are going to do, we are going to use algebraic transformation. Suppose what we have, c is equal to a plus 1, and what we are going to do over here, c, okay, a plus plus, okay, so what is the meaning? Increment by 1, and c is equal to a plus 1 means what? Increment by 1. Okay, so in this way transformation is done. A representation of basic block, it can be represented by a variety of data structure. Each basic block which can be represented by a record which is consisting of a count of the number of a quadruple in a block, which is to be followed by a pointer to the leader of the block, and by a list of predecessor and the successor of the block. Alternative way is to make the linked list. The age of the flow graph from block B to B dash does not specify that the control flow from B to B dash. So how the transformation is done, how we are going to create the basic block, we will discuss this thing in next lecture. Thank you.